Drones are taking over the world and becoming a part of our everyday lives. And businesses of all sorts are just now starting to realize how drones can make them more money, save them more money, and impress everyone. From aerial real estate photography to professional videography to agricultural research and radio tower inspections to search and rescue and more. Drones are changing our everyday lives and creating opportunities previously unheard of. Now, you can have professional aerial videos and pictures of your business. Get professional videos of your wedding or indie film project. Take a complete scan of your farm or do just about anything else you can imagine. We are here to help you realize your dreams with professional drone videos and photos. Give us a call today to schedule your free consultation so you can see exactly how drone photos and videos can make you more money, save you more money, and impress everyone.